Hello students, a very good morning to you all. Welcome you all in general knowledge session. So today we'll start with chapter 26, that is scientific instruments. In this chapter you have to read the descriptions and write the names of the instruments in the given space. Okay, let's start. First this instrument is called cardiograph. Okay, cardiograph is an application which measures your heart rate. Cardiograph uses your device's built-in camera or dedicated sensor to calculate your heart's rhythm, the same approach used by professional medical equipment. This you might be watched in many in some of these TV serials or movies, right? Okay, this is used to measure our heart rate. This is called cardiograph. Let's see the next one. This instrument is used to find direction. Okay, this is called compass. A compass is a device that shows the cardinal direction used for navigation and geographic orientation. It commonly consists of a magnetized needle or other element such as compass card or compass rose, which can pivot to align itself with the magnetic north. Next is an instrument used for generation of electricity. This is called dynamo. A dynamo is an electrical generator that creates direct current using a commutator. Dynamos were the first electrical generators capable of delivering power for industry and the foundation upon which the electricity run through the different lights. Let's see next. Fourth, an instrument used for determining the purity of milk. Instrument is called lactometer. Lactometer is a small glass instrument that is used to test the purity of the milk. It works on the principle of specific gravity of milk. It measures the relative density of milk with respect to water. If the specific gravity of a sample of milk is within the approved ranges, the milk is pure. Next, fifth one, a device that is used for recording sound or for making your voice louder when you are speaking or singing. This is called microphone. A microphone, colloquially called a mic, is a device, a transducer that converts sound in an electrical signal. A microphone is a device that translates sound vibrations in the air into electronic signals or scribes them to recording medium. Microphones enable many types of audio recording devices for purposes including communications of many kinds as well as music and speech recording. Let's see the sixth one, that is an instrument used for looking at very small object which cannot be seen with the naked eyes. Means हम कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी होती है कि हम अपनी आइज से नहीं देख सकते, वो हम कैसे देखते हैं? माइक्रोस्कोप से, राइट? A microscope is a laboratory instrument used to examine objects that are too small to be used by the naked eye. Microscopy is the science of investigating small objects and structures using a microscope. Microscopic means being invisible to the eye unless aided by microscope. Let's see the next, seventh. An instrument used for presenting an enlarged image of a photograph or a film onto a screen. This is called projector. Okay. A projector is an optical device that projects an image onto a surface, commonly a projection screen. Most projectors create an image by shining a light through a small transparent lens. but some newer types of projectors can project the image directly by using lasers. And the last one is and instrument used for observing heavenly bodies is called, क्या बोलते हैं इसको, telescope, right? A telescope is an optical instrument using lenses, curved mirrors, or a combination of both to observe distant objects or various devices used to observe distant objects by their emission, absorption, or reflection of electromagnetic radiation. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day. Bye.